In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable and disable alert when phone is picked up on your Samsung Galaxy A14. So first, open the settings app, and in settings, scroll down until you find advanced features. Tap on that. Select motions and gestures. And here you should see the option alert when phone is picked up. This means that your phone will vibrate whenever you have a message or a missed call and you lift up your phone. So to disable it, simply tap on the toggle, and if you get any incoming calls or messages that you've missed, your phone will no longer vibrate as a notification. But if you leave it enabled, then your phone will vibrate. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.